Hey everybody, and welcome back to Kiki's Kitchen. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you're making some of the things that I shared with you this week. And actually, I think I might even have one more or two, who knows. But Mexican is good all year long, that's for sure. Today, what I'm going to show you is a quick little snack that my husband loves to take to work with him. It's a quick, inexpensive, actually, kind of snack if you don't eat the whole box. This is what we're doing. We're making fried Cheerios. That's right, you heard me right, fried Cheerios. So what I do is, in one pan, I take pecan halves. If you don't like pecans, just leave them out. If you like something better, put it in. And I've got about a half a stick of butter in there that I have melted. And I am gonna toast these pecans in that half stick of butter. That was not a full bag, and that was a 10-ounce bag. So I would tell you, because I'm going to make a box of Cheerios, so I would tell you that somewhere, however, whatever looks good to you. I mean, that looks good to me as far as how many are going to be in my mix. So I'm telling you that's probably about 6 ounces, 6 to 8 ounces. So I want to toss them in all in this butter so they get a good coating here as they toast up. In my other pan, I have a stick and a half, so I have a half a stick in this one and a stick and a half in the other, and it's melted. And spread these out, flatten them out so we get them toasted. And to that, I'm going to season them with some kosher salt and some black pepper and some granulated garlic. And we're just going to let them go and do their thing and toast. And while they're toasting, in this pan, I have about a stick and a half of butter melted. And I'm adding a box of Cheerios. Now these are Crispy Oats, so they are Cheerio knockoffs, and they are about $1.69 versus $4. So for this, well, for any intent and purpose for me, if I'm going to eat Cheerios, it's going to be with banana in a thing, and I can't tell the difference. My palate doesn't tell the difference between all these Cheerios. Now, there's some I can, like the Cocoa Puffs. They're not the same. They're not quite as good, but not for Cheerios. So now that box is in here, and I'm going to stir that up and get these all coated in that butter. Now, you can do this to your level of doneness. My husband happens to like them very crisp, almost on the edge of burnt, because that's how he likes it. But you can stop whenever you want to. They do need to get a nice golden brown. So that looks good. Just kind of tossing them through so that they're all coated. And again, to them, I'm going to liberally salt and pepper. I will do this more than once. And granulated garlic. Toss that all through. This is a great TV snack. It's a good little snack. I'm going to flip these around. They're starting to toast up nicely. Can you see that? Yes. Yep, they're just actually kind of pretty much toasted. Can you see how beautiful they look? So now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to take every bit of that butter out of there, seasoned butter, Doesn't take long at all to toast. Nuts, that's for sure. They can go bad on you in a heartbeat. And now, just mix that in. Let's bring you up here a little closer. You want to keep moving them because the ones on the bottom are obviously going to get, get toasted quicker. So you just keep flipping them through. So that's all I'm going to do is flip these through for a couple minutes and then they'll be done. So hang on while so you don't have to watch me flip them. Hang in there. Okay, and actually we're done. Let me see if I can hold it up to you so you can see it. How nice and brown and toasty they all are. And, like I said, we like it nice and brown and toasty. That's what makes them nice and crisp. Now, I'm going to let them cool in this pan, and then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc once they're cool, and because you want them in something airtight so they don't go stale, just like anything else. But it's very simple. It's very good. And even your toddlers of 60 plus will like it. Have a great day. Bye.